Welcome to another tutorial video regarding function pointers. In this video we will see how to use a function pointer as a parameter and call that specific function within another function. So let's see how we can implement that. So the function which will call the function pointer is called foo. And here we pass now a function pointer which will be basically just a sum function which returns a integer and accepts two parameters. So it's a sum function, and then we have like two parameters which are int. Okay. And then we will call this sum function with two parameters, int a, int b. We pass a and b, and that's it. So now we just need to declare this. Here I will implement the sum function. It accepts two parameters and returns the sum. Maybe yes, we could do that, and here above we can get the result and print the result. Here we need to pass now our function, so we need this one here, and we pass now two arguments as for the parameters. So let's give it a try. As you can see, we have now here the value 40. We pass 10 and 30. The sum of these two numbers is 40. So everything worked as expected. The first argument, the first parameter, is a sum function which has the return values integer and two parameters with the type int, and so the sum function here matches this signature. We could it doesn't irritate you. We could also name it something else, like add function. Then we pass the add function. Yes, we passed it with the address. We passed the address, and then we passed also the arguments for the function. And within that function, we called it as a regular function. We treat it as a regular function. So this braces here where we pass these parameters, and then we print the result. So I hope that this simple example will help you to understand how to use function pointers. I think I will add a few more examples in other videos where I will just increase the complexity. So step by step we will see how we can add this into more complex constructs. Thank you very much for watching, and if you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. See you.